So in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to open a PayPal account in France. So first, visit the PayPal website or download the PayPal app from the App Store or Google Play. Then, click on the Sign Up button. Next, you'll have two options to choose personal account or business account. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you're using PayPal for personal transactions, select personal account. Or if you're a merchant or businessman, choose business. After that, fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you have entered your information, click on Next. You may be asked to provide your phone number for added security. Enter your phone number and click on Send Code to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the verification code you received and click on Verify. Now you'll need to link a payment method. You can add a bank account or a debit or credit card. This step allows you to make transactions through your PayPal account. After linking your payment method, review it and agree to the payment user agreement and privacy. Review and agree to the PayPal user agreement and privacy policy. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now set up and ready to use in France.